Hello, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, and welcome to my online class. My name is Sharad Kharat, and I am from Dharavi TC English School number 2, Mumbai. And here is our Nodal Bit Officer Sharad Kurade sir, Administrative Officer Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre ma'am, Nodal Headmistress Pushpa ma'am, Pushpa Mary Paul ma'am, and Nodal Headmistress Mrs. Manpreet Kaur madam, and our CNO Ratilal sir. Okay. So today, before starting, I would like to start our lesson with good thought. So
Action
anyone
is
from you,
the
please.
fundamental key to success.
Action is the fundamental key to success. And can you tell me meaning of this thought? Can you tell me meaning of this thought? If you don't know, I will tell you. Action is the fundamental key to success means before starting anything, or if we like to become success, we have to do some work, we have to make some plan, and we have to implement that plan into the action. Is it right? When we implement that plan into the action, then only we can get the success. So that is why it is said action is the fundamental key to success. Are you getting it? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, what do you see on the screen?
So there was one man and her paid
Yes,
a bed.
and his stomach is paining. His stomach is paining. He
Paid.
is not feeling well. Yes, his stomach is paining. And now, what do you see in the picture?
She has a cough. There was
Yes.
one girl and she has
Yes,
a
she is omitting. Is it?
then after she has cough, then she is
Yes.
vomiting.
Yes, very good. And now, this boy, he is in dysentery. He is also not feeling well.
It's
And
feeling head.
headache. Headache. Well, this person is not feeling well.
Headache.
Do you feel sometime like this? Sometime vomiting, paining in the stomach, headache, not feeling well.
Yes, sir.
And now,
She has cough.
cough. He is coughing. He is also not feeling well. And this little boy,
He becomes cold.
yes, he is feeling cold and fever.
Fever.
Is it right? Yes. So, what do we call to this? Not feeling well. Yes,
Yes.
all these problems are related to our health. Is it
Uh,
right?
yes.
Yes. Or we say it is a disease or not feeling well, feeling illness. So student, today we are going to learn very important topic of EVS 1, that is community health and hygiene. Lesson number 25th, community health and hygiene. So first of all, I would like to tell you what is meant by community health. So there is word community. Do you
Just
understand what is meant by community?
our own health, we must make effort to instill good health for our
Yes, yes, very good.
good.
But wait. First of all, to understand what is meant by community. Community means many people, those who are living in group, like our village, our building, our society. Many people, 10, 20, 100, 200, 1,000. So all people living together in one society is known as community. Is it right? Means when we are studying in our school, school is our community. When we go into the market, market is our community. Is it right? When we
Yes.
travel to train, that is community, means the group of people.
We
That,
travel.
yes, that is known as community. Yes. So
Okay.
as we take care of ourselves, we must see to it that all the people living around us should be healthy. So to maintain that healthy life, what should we have to do? So there are five points are given. Will you please read it? Nutritious food. So first of all, we all have to take nutritious food. So nutritious food means food that are good for our health. So can you tell me name of some food items?
Jawar, bajra,
Yes. Fruits like apple,
and
pineapple,
banana,
banana. Yes. All this,
pomegranate,
yes, all this food is very nutritious. It has,
exercise.
yes. So it gives us nutrition. It gives us nutrition. We get energy from that food. So we have to take nutritious food in order to avoid all the health problem. Is it right? If you take healthy food, if you take nutritious food, we will get energy. Yes.
Yes.
And second thing is personal hygiene. Personal means belongs to oneself. Personal hygiene. If we take bath, brush our teeth, maintain good hygiene in our class, in our home, at social places, then we can say that we are maintaining hygiene, cleanliness, personal cleanliness as well as social cleanliness. Is it right? Are you getting it? Next, exercise. So in if we want to have a good health, then we have to do some exercises. Can you tell me name of some exercises? Body exercises. Can you tell me?
Holding our hand.
Yes, running, jumping. Is it right?
Walking.
Yes, walking,
Walking.
walking, Surya Namaskar, and all other things, which
Yes.
gives us strength. Yes, and if we do the exercise, our body will be good,
Good.
and we can maintain our health. And all the things that we eat, we can digest easily when we do the exercise. Is it right? And next thing is hobby. So we
Hobby.
must seek some hobbies. Hobbies like reading, swimming, walking,
Playing.
exercise. All these are hobbies. If we keep good hobbies, then our we will feel mentally and physically healthy. Is it right? Health is not just physical aspect, mental as well. So mental health and physical health both are important for our body. Is it right? The next is cleanliness habits. So can you tell me some cleanliness habits? Can you tell me some cleanliness habits? Cleaning our house,
Clean
taking
our
bath.
home. We
Yes,
want to clean our school.
yes. Brushing our teeth. So all these are cleanliness habits. Okay. Now, so threats to the community health. So there are some problems which gives threats to the community health. Means due to some problem, our community may find some problem while achieving health. So which are those problems? So first is pollution. We see there is uh, type of air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution in our surrounding. The next is squalor. Squalor means a state of being extremely dirty and unpleasant. So some people do not take proper care. They do not maintain cleanliness. So that condition we can say squalor. Epidemics of infectious diseases. Then addiction, insect-borne diseases, lack of awareness, and lack of medical facilities. So due to all these problem, all these things are threats to the community health. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Please read these threats. Can you read these threats?
Pollution,
Queller,
squalor,
queller,
epidemic of infection diseases, education, insect-borne
born dis
diseases, Lacks of awareness, lacks of
medical facilities. Is it right? So can you tell me type of pollution? How many type of pollution is there? Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Is it right? So due to all these things, our community health comes in danger. Is it right? Next, importance of community health. Why it is important that we have to maintain community health? So people of country are the most important factor in country's progress and development. We know if we progress personally, then our nation will automatically progress. So every individual from the society is of equal importance. Is it right? So their health can be protected if they have a clean environment, nutritious food, safe drinking water, and good medical facility. If we have all these things in our life, then only we can achieve our health. And once we achieve our good health, we will progress ourselves, and our progress leads to the progress of our nation, our country. Are you getting it? Do you understand, beta? The next, we can work well and live life only if we have a good health. So if we are healthy, we are having good condition, then only we can work enough and our work will lead to success. The next is clean environment. So as personal health is important, in the same way, our environment should be clean. If we live in clean environment, we will feel mentally and physically healthy. Next, just now we have seen nutritious food. So nutritious food means all vegetable, foods, grains, dairy products, mutton, chicken, eggs, and all these things are very useful to our body. Each kind of food item gives different kinds of energy and different kinds of constituent. So all this nutritious food is good for our health. The next is safe drinking water. The water that we drink must be safe. It should be polluted free. And if we drink such water, then only we will feel healthy. Then good medical facilities. Good medical facilities means hospitals, good hospitals, uh, first aid facilities. Such things should be there in our society. So every individual from our society will get benefit from those facilities, and we can maintain our personal health, and automatically we can help in our nation's progress. Do you understand now? Now we will see, there are some question answer. You have to tell me, is it good or bad? So first statement is burning old tire. Is it good or bad? Burning old tire, is it good or bad? So burning old tire will produce some kind of smoke, dirt. So burning old tire is not good. It is bad. Burning old tire is bad. Second statement, spitting anywhere on the road. Is it good or bad? It is also bad, because spitting will leads to different kinds of health problems. Next statement, using public toilet. Using public toilet is good or bad? It's good. If we use public toilets, social places will be clean and neat. So in order to avoid any kind of pollution, we have to use public toilets. Fourth statement, looking after domestic animal. Is it good or bad? It is also good. We have to take care of our domestic animals. And domestic animals gives us different kinds of benefits. So looking after domestic animals is good. Fifth statement, following doctor's instruction in case of infectious diseases. Is it good or bad? So following doctor's instruction in case of infectious diseases is good for our health, because doctor checks us and he gives right instructions which are good for our health. So that's why we have to follow the doctor's instruction. Washing our hands before a meal or snack. Yes, it is also good for our health, because if there is infectious, if there is some infectious or infectious material that stick to our hand, and if we wash our hands before taking meal or snack, then it is good for our health. Throwing the garbage from your house on the road. What do you think? Is it right, or is it good or bad?
Bad.
Why it is bad? Can you tell me why is it bad?
It spreads illness to everyone.
It spreads illness. It spreads illness. Okay. We will revise once again. Burning old tire. Is it good or bad?
Good. Yeah.
Burning old tire is good? No, beta, it is bad, because it will do some smoke. And it will some pollution. Bad. Second, spitting anywhere on the road. Bad. Why it is bad? Why it is bad?
Sitting on the road, it also spread illness.
Yes, it also spreads illness. Then third, using public toilet.
Also spread illness. It is not wrong.
Yeah,
Bad.
no, it is good, beta. If we use public toilet instead of doing anywhere on the open place, it's good to use public toilet. Okay, all these things we have seen, it is good or bad. Next question. Now tell me types of pollution. Can you tell me types of pollution?
Wood pollution, soil pollution, radioactive pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. Types of pollution: noise pollution.
These are the types of
air pollution.
Pollution.
Pollution, soil pollution.
Can you tell me why water pollution happens? Some stinky dead animals and plants, with some people throw in the water, oil spills, polluted water from industry, energy production, and water treatment plants. So all the dirt and all the polluted water comes into the river or storage. So that's why water pollution happens. Now, effects of polluted water on human health diseases. So waterborne diseases, some kind of waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, or dysentery. So all these things, all these diseases are due to waterborne diseases. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Methods to prevent water pollution. So first of all, educating the people about its harmful effects to human and the environment. So we have to explain to our people that we should stop polluting our water, because if we pollute our water, it is harmful to our health, our own health, and to the health of our environment. Environmental laws, we have to teach them, we have to explain them some environmental laws, that we have to keep our community, our surrounding neat and clean. Do not dispose of household chemicals or cleaning agents down to the sink or toilet. So this is also one of the important thing. Reuse, recycle, and reduce. Reuse means we have to use some product again and again, and recycle means some product like plastic. So if we give it to the proper channel, they will recycle it, and they will provide us to use again. And some things we have to reduce, means use of plastic, use of chemical, use of other things which are harmful to our surrounding or our cleanliness. We have to reduce use of such things. Effect of malnutrition. So malnutrition means not getting proper food, not getting healthy food. So what are the impact of malnutrition? Will you please read it? Low mood, loss, low energy, muscle wasting, increased risk of fractures, increased risk of hospital admission, confusion, infection, reduced independence, increased risk of falls, reduced mobility. So all these things happen because of malnutrition. And malnutrition means not getting proper healthy food like fruit, vegetables, grains. So all the foods are very helpful to our health. So we have to take healthy food in our diet. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Causes of malnutrition. So why malnutrition causes? Why we don't get healthy food? So reasons are there. Poverty. We know all peoples are not having good or enough money. So some peoples are very poor, so they can't afford to take good food. So this is the major reason behind malnutrition. Poverty. Lack of primary health infrastructure. In some villages, rural area, remote areas, there is not proper health facility, hospitals. So all these things leads to malnutrition. Lack of awareness and illiteracy. Some people are not uh, good educated, they are illiterate, they don't know the importance of health. So this is also the thing which is due to, so malnutrition is due to this thing. Weak public distribution system in India and poor implementation of child development scheme. So our government implements some child development scheme, but even though in some places it is not implemented correctly. Next, poor sanitization practices in rural area. So good medical health care center is not there. So that's why malnutrition happens in our rural or remote areas. So these are the reason behind malnutrition. How can we avoid malnutrition? So there are many ways that how can we avoid malnutrition. Preventing malnutrition, plenty of fruit and vegetable. So if we have to avoid malnutrition, we have to take fruit and vegetable in our diet. Plenty of starchy food such as bread, rice, potato, pasta, all these things should we have to use in our diet. Some milk and dairy products, food on non-dairy alternatives. Some sources of protein such as meat, fish, eggs, beans. So all these things we have to take in our diet. If we take such thing in our diet, then we can avoid malnutrition. Which fruit do you like best most? Which fruit do you like? Can you tell me?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. And which vegetable do you like?
Potato.
Okay. Can you tell me name of some red fruit? The fruit which are red in color?
Apple, pomegranate, watermelon.
Yes. And can you tell me name of some fruit which are yellow in color?
Yellow. Mango. Banana.
Okay. Yes, yellow.
Pineapple.
Okay. Very good. Can you tell me some dairy products?
Yes. Yogurt.
Milk.
Paneer.
Yes. Very good.
Butter.
Yes. And can you tell me some non-veg food items?
Like chicken, meat, fish,
eggs, beans. Yes. So these food items are very useful to our head. We have to take such food items into our diet. Is it right?
Yes.
Next. In this box, some problems are given, and in next column there is things or bad effects happen due to that thing is given, and we have to give some remedies also. So there is, if polluted water is there, so cholera will happens to us, and then what next? Diarrhea as well as cholera, typhoid. So how will you avoid this problem? Safe water supply, and educating the people, social awareness, all these things we can do. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Next, malnutrition. What are the bad effects of malnutrition? Higher number of child death. Yes. Weak body, feeling ill every time. So how can we overcome this problem? Nutritious diet, helping people, giving, educating them, informing them, all these things, remedies things we can do. Next is pollution. So what are the bad effects of pollution? Danger to environment.
Yes.
And how it is pollution? Danger to social and personal health. And how we can avoid this pollution? Protecting the environment, educating the people, avoiding water pollution. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Next, ignorance and superstitious. So what happens due to ignorance and superstitious? Operations, deception, superstition, all these things happen. And how can we overcome this problem? Scientific temper, reasoning ability, social awareness. Next, addiction. So what happens due to addiction? Unhappy family life, loss of temper, feeling illness, and how we give some remedies, dedication programs, educating people, awareness, all these things we have to do to avoid this problem. Next, wholesome living. Now it is the concept, what is meant by wholesome living? If we take care of our health, it is possible for us to lead a wholesome life, keeping ourselves happy and taking an interest in things, avoiding feelings of hatred and envy, and doing what is necessary to maintain physical health, help us to achieve these things. If people of society live healthy and wholesome life, social tension also decrease and feeling of friendship can be nurtured. So wholesome life means living together, living healthy life and respecting each other. And when we respect each other, when we come together, when we all are very healthy, we don't have any problem. Is it right? Any health problem, then only we can say that this is wholesome living. Means we all living together, sharing our things with each other emotionally and not hating anyone. So all this, and when we live such in such a way, then feeling of friendship will be nurtured. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Next, so there are some problems like tobacco consumption. Some people consume tobacco. Is it good for our health or bad?
Bad.
Yes. Some tobacco products such
Bad.
as gutka, cigarette, bidis, masheri, mawa, pan masala, these all things are very bad to our health. So we have to avoid such thing. And we often hear that this is not good for our health, even though such people consume it, take it. So this is not good. We have to tell them again and again, and we have to bring some social program to avoid taking such things. All these are harmful for our health. At first, a person may chew tobacco casually, and some people's arguing, but this may lead to addiction. So addiction means feeling of taking or doing again and again is known as addiction. So we have to avoid such things. We have to guide them. We have to tell them. We have to take them, and we have to avoid such things. Next, ill effects of tobacco addiction. So what will happen if some people take tobacco again and again? Can you read?
Ulcers in mouth.
Yes.
The ulcers develop into bigger wounds. The person may develop tumors.
Tumor. Yes, tumor. A lot of time and money has to be spent on treatment. Is it right? If person happens such problem, he has to take treatment in the hospital, and he has to spend a lot of money. If the wounds do not heal, the person has serious problem. This can eventually lead to cancer. Tobacco entering the digestive organs lead to complaints related to them. The constant presence of tobacco in the body. So all these things are the very bad to our organ. A person who develops cancer in this ways has to take very painful treatment. And this treatment is not very simple. This is very painful. Even after that, one cannot be sure that the cancer will be cured. So such things happens to the person who are taking tobacco. So we have to tell to our family members, our neighbors, that this is not good for our health. We have to stop this thing. Next is alcoholism. So what is alcoholism? Some people drink alcohol. Yes, and this is not good for their health. Alcohol makes a person drowsy and confused. Once he loses control over one's actions, he can't do anything. Alcoholism causes disease of the liver, intestine, and urinary bladder. Addiction to tobacco or alcohol are both very bad habits. It is best to stay away from these things. Never be negligent about health. So we all have to keep distance from tobacco, alcohol, and we have to guide our social and our family member that we have not to take alcohol and tobacco. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Next, alcohol and the body. So due to alcohol, some problems happens. Will you please read it? It is given in the picture.
Yes, sir. Yes. Depression and anxiety,
Memory loss, breast cancer,
high blood pressure,
liver damage, hepatitis, cirrhosis and cancer, fertility problem. And in right side also there are some problems given.
stroke, oral cancer, heart disease, gastritis,
gastritis, pancreatitis, harm to unborn babies, and bowel cancer. So all these are problems due to alcohol. So we have to avoid taking alcohol.
Yes.
Next, good and bad pointless habits. Informing your family member where you are going and when you will be back. If you inform your family member before going to anywhere, so this habit is good or bad? Good habit. It is good habit. Is it right? Yes. If you tell your family member when you are going to play on the ground, when you are going to school, or when you are going outside with your friend, you should go. But before going anywhere, you have to tell to your parents. Is it right? When you tell your parents, they will live tension free because they will know that our child has went somewhere. They know. But if you don't tell them, it will be worry for them. Is it right? They will feel tension. So it is very good habit. Second, telling truth. Is it good or bad?
Good.
Yes, telling truth, speaking truth is always good. Statement number 3. Fiddling with one's hair, a pencil, etc. all the time. Is it bad or good?
Bad.
It is bad. Bad. Because we know that oil is to the hair, pencil, and if we eat with such hands, it is very bad for our health. Fourth statement, biting one's nails.
Bad.
Bad. Very good. Next, making the school bag ready to the night, ready the night before. Is it good or bad?
Good.
It is good because we can remember the things which we need tomorrow in our school. So making the school bag ready the night before is good. Next statement, frequently forgetting one's umbrella, raincoat, pencil, pen, or other things. Is it good or bad?
Bad.
Bad, or we can see it is pointless habit. Actually,
yes.
It is not bad, but it is pointless. Means we have to, at least, means we should try to not to forget such thing. Is it right?
Yes.
It's not bad. We can't say it is bad because bad means which we do harmful to other people. Okay, it is pointless habit. We can say it is pointless, but we have to take care about this habit. 7, putting a limit on TV time and sticking to it. Is it good or bad?
Bad.
No, it is good, beta. Putting a limit means watching TV to the limited time. Means we have to watch TV, but for some time. Time limit should be there. So if you are putting a time limit like alarm or some certain time to that TV program, then it is good. But watching TV throughout the day is not good. Are you getting it?
Yes, yes.
It is good. Now we will revise what we have learned in this topic. So first point, will you read it?
Each person should put in efforts to maintain the community's health.
Yes. Next.
We must be alert with respect to matters of public health.
Yes, very good.
Wholesome living leads to good personal and social health.
Yes.
One needs to be firm with oneself to avoid bad habits.
Yes, very good. So these things we have learned in this topic. Now there are some questions for evaluation. You have to answer the following in short. Okay. What are the different types of pollution? Can you tell me different type of pollution?
The different types of pollution are noise pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution.
Yes, very good, beta. Very good. Next question. What factors are threat to community health?
Sir,
Tobacco eating,
yes, tobacco eating,
smoking,
smoking,
alcoholism,
yes, alcohol,
not maintaining personal hygiene. Is it
yes,
right?
yes,
Fighting anywhere. These are the
Spirit.
bad things.
Yes,
Next, why we should not chew tobacco?
yes, because we get cancer.
Yes, tobacco is not good for our health. It gives
Yes,
cancer. It spreads the illness. Very good. Next question. What are the ill effects of alcoholism? Due to
sir,
alcoholism, cancer, we cannot concentrate our
cancer.
work.
Yes,
Okay. There are so many problems we will see in the short. Next question.
yes.
Which habits are good for our health?
Cleanliness,
Yes.
using public toilets,
Yes. Waking up on the right
waking
time
up
in the
in the
morning,
morning.
sleeping early in the night.
Yes,
Yes. Means getting ready one day before going to school or going to anywhere,
yes.
planning and acting on it is good for our health. Which habits are bad for our health?
Splitting on the road anywhere.
Yes, yes,
Throwing garbage from our house on the road,
yes, very good.
and
Not sleeping
not sleeping
on the time,
early on the time.
not taking food on the time,
Yes, yes.
not bathing, not brushing. So many things are there. We are seeing only in short only this time. Next question. How can we bring progress and development of our country?
Okay. Sir.
If we take care of ourselves, if we maintain ourselves healthy, then we can do our work. Is it right? And if we progress
Yes.
ourselves, our nation will automatically progress. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Means we have to take care of our oneself, and if we take care of our oneself, automatically we are taking care of our country, our nation. This is how we can bring progress and development in our country. Very good. Next, how can we achieve excellent health?
Eating nutritious food,
Yes.
doing exercise,
Yes.
fruits,
Developing good habits. Developing good habits. Yes.
cleanliness.
Yes. Very good, beta. Very good. Now, this is the question for your homework. Take a screenshot.
Sir, I take it.
Okay. Very good. We will wait 10 more seconds to take screenshot for other students. Please take screenshot. Again, next question. Take screenshot. Question number second. True or false? You have to write the statement, and below that statement you have to write just true or false. Take a screenshot. Have you taken?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thanks. And stay
Bye,
home.
sir.
Stay
Have a nice
safe.
day.
Don't
Stay
go
home.
anywhere
Stay
outside.
safe.
Stay home. Stay safe and avoid coronavirus.
Yes.
And thank you for attending
Thank you,
my
sir.
online class. Thank you very much.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.